to my gorgeous girl, how you doing, gorgeous? I hope you guys are blessed and are doing amazing. I am doing wonderful, and if it's your first time here, my name is Flori Monica, one of you gorgeous, and if you're one of my gorgeous, mwah, sis, how you doing? So I just finished getting ready and then I'm about to step out. You know me, guys, I like telling you guys the plan of the day. So what is the plan of today? I'm about to step out to go to central London and go take some pictures with my sister. As you guys know, I went back posting again on Instagram. Yeah. Oh, I took like 2 to 3 years. I wasn't posting at all on Instagram. Recently, I started posting again, and now I need to be consistent. So I need to keep up with it, go take some content. And yeah, so now all I'm doing is I'm creating like schedule. Like I'll have like a few days of filming, maybe 1 day or 2 days of taking pictures. And then the person that always take me pictures is my sister. Yeah, my baby sister. She is the goal. She's the best one on the game. Every time my sister take me pictures, oh sis, she does not miss. So I wanted to show you guys also how I do edit my pictures. So before we leave, guys, let me tell you something. Taking pictures, creating content, going outside, taking like 3-4 outfits in the day is nice, but what makes your pictures is how you do editing. And what I use to take my pictures, I use iPhone, and I also use the Canon, I think it's called G7 Max 2. So I also have that. I think I purchased it 4-5 years ago, and the time that I got it, it was like I spent less than £200. Right now the price of it is just crazy. So those are the two things I use to take my pictures. But to edit my pictures, yes, as you guys notice, I'll pop up the pictures here. My pictures, when I edit it, I like it to keep it simple and then clean, nice. I like nice clean background. So let me use this opportunity before I step up and show you guys how I do edit my pictures. But today I'm going to focus on one app that I use for my face. All the pictures you're seeing of my face I post on Instagram. How do I do edit my face? Because sis, sometimes you need to fix your face. You know what I mean? You have a flash from the camera. Sometimes you're sweating when you're taking pictures. And today I'm going to show you how to edit your face just using one app and in a simple way. So let's get into it. Let me open my face app and let's start editing my first picture. So I'm just going to pick up a random pictures and that's what we're going to work on. So this one is perfect because you can see my face properly. So let's open my first features. It's going to be impression. So in that I use a Hollywood 4, but they have a lot. They have keys, Hollywood 2, cute, a lot of them. But what I use is I use the Hollywood 4 and I'll click the number 3. So let me click on that. Yes, you can see the number 3 and see how it really changes my face. Let's do the before and after for you guys to see. Before, after, before, and then after. Yes, after doing the Hollywood 4 number 3, I'm going to move on to my skin. So in my skin we're going to use they have a lot. They have smooth, tint, but I use glowing. So I'm going to glow my face in number 2. And if you want to add a few like features on your photos, all you can do is double click the corner there you see on the blue, so you can add glow and you can also add tint, so to make your face look darker. So I'll do number 2, but I think it's more darker, so I'm going to reduce it to number 1 and let's see how it's going to look on number 1. Maybe it's going to be much better. Yeah, number 2 is cool, but I feel like I look more darker, so I'm going to reduce it to number 1. As I said, yeah, I think number 1 is perfect. It's already looking gorgeous. So I did use the Hollywood number 3. I move on to the skin and I apply the tint and the glowing. You can see the difference before and after. Yeah, sis, if I zoom in, you see it's still looking natural, clean and nice. So that's what I'm going to work on. So yeah, let me bring you back to glowing and then tint. Those are the two added on. So I'm going to click apply, and after that I'm going to move on to makeup. Yes, let's move on to makeup. So in makeup we have makeup 3, we have eyebrows, eyelashes, we have contouring, blush. So but in here I'm going to add a blush. I'm going to use number 1 just to make it more natural. Oh no, I'll increase it to number 2. I think number 2 is much better. Yes, I love I love how it's looking. The blush is looking very set and nice. And then after that, I'm going to move on to my size. So there, I'm only going to do is big my eyes. Since I have big eyes, but I just love my face to look bigger. So they have small nose, big lips, and then small face, big eyes, but I'll use big eyes. They also have big nose, so if you want big nose on your pictures, you can use the FaceApp. You'll get it. Look at the different, how my eyes just look open. Look at the before and after, the glowing, the 10, the Hollywood 3, the big eyes are just giving. I love the fact like FaceApp added the pro setting, and that gives you the option to retouch your pictures, remove something you don't like, add filter, and reshape your photo, and adjustment as well, crop your pictures. So let's start with the adjustment one. It gives you the option to brighten your pictures, if it's darker, highlight it, if you want the shadow to be down or up, the saturation, sharpness, a lot of things you can get, but you can only see these if you upgrade your FaceApp to a pro setting. I did mine as well. That's when I can see all these options. And in here, I'm just going to sharpness. I'm just going to increase it. I think this is too much. Maybe reduce it a bit to let's say 12 or less than that, and let's see the difference. Really nice. I love it. These pictures, I'm definitely posting it on Instagram. You can also highlight it. I'm just maybe leaving it or highlight it to 2 or 1, or just leave it. Let's see, 2. I was just working to see which one is going to be better. Yeah, it look much better now. So yeah, that's what you need to do in FaceApp. Like, very easy to edit your face pictures. Like I said, you do not need a professional photographer to do that. FaceApp is giving you that option that you need. Look how I was able to control my editing, how I'm editing my face, and then how I want my face to look. If I don't want to look darker, or I want to look more darker, so I can just increase number. Also love the pro setting, so that's giving us an option to adjust our pictures, crop it up, and if you don't want something to be on, we can remove it, the background, and paint it. You know, sometimes you can have your face lighter and then your body darker. You can paint your body. Also add filter, remove something if you don't want it to be on the pictures. Let me zoom it for you guys to see my face is looking natural. Everything looks set and amazing. The FaceApp is the goal. Finally, now you guys know how I do edit my face pictures using FaceApp. Very easy to use. I just enjoy using it. Every time I take a picture, I don't like the way my makeup is looking. I don't like the way like my face is looking, and I just want to bring it to life. All I do is take the pictures, go to the FaceApp, and then starting editing it. Sis, to download the app is really easy. If you have a Samsung, also iPhone, you can go to your Apple store. I have an iPhone. Just tap FaceApp, you see it, and then sign up and start enjoying it. Also in Samsung as well. For people that have Samsung, you can also go and then download the FaceApp. So I'll leave all the information of the FaceApp on the description below. And then yeah, so this is what I wanted to talk you to, guys, before stepping to Central London. So I'm about to leave this house in 5 minutes. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir, bisous. Mwah.